What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajunrnewbbq. Hope you're doing fine. You know what I'm going to say, so I'm not even going to say it. You could say it. That's right, you say it. You tell the person in the other room to say it. That's right. Thank y'all for joining me today. Today, we're going to do some carne asada fajita hot dogs. Kind of saw this done on another channel, Man Kitchen Recipes by Kevin. Shout out to him. I'm going to link his channel up above. He did fajita hot dogs. Today we're going to kick it up with a Fuego Lentos carne asada rub. It's got a nice hit of black pepper, some chili powder, makes you feel like you're at a Mexican restaurant. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Your ingredients for your carne asada fajita hot dogs. Some hot dogs, some Fuego Lentos carne asada barbecue rub, some red onion, yellow onion, red and orange bell pepper. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started now on the griddle. Throw down a little oil. Get it all spread out nice and fine. I've got this burner set to medium low. Throw down a little bit of that seasoning on there with my Fuego Lento. And we're going to go ahead and start throwing down our peppers and our onions. Oh yeah, this is smelling mighty fine. Now we're going to go ahead and season them up. Peppers and onions are cooking down. They're coming caramelizing nice and fine now. Got a little bit more to go on them. Our dogs are coming along nicely. They're starting to brown on some of the sides. We're taking them nice and slow so they don't burn. We're going to go ahead and pull everything now. Just look at that caramelization. You're looking so good. Cars are passing. Fun times. Let's go ahead and give this a try. That carne asada rub from a Fuego Lento puts the right spin on this. Oh yeah. With those peppers and onions, mixes all together. This could be served at a Mexican restaurant to kids. I'm sure they'd love this. Adults would order this too. Oh yeah. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.